Hey buds! Mother's Day is right around the corner, but have you ever given your mom a bouquet that she can eat? There are so many fun things that you can do with edible flowers. Just make sure that you have a proper ID because not all flowers are edible. If you have trouble with this, you can check out our very first video where we show you 5 that you can eat, and you can also make floral ice cubes if that's more up your alley, or if you want to doubly impress your mom. If spring has sprung in your area, you can use fresh dandelion petals for this recipe. But if you're like me and you're still waiting on things to bloom, dried petals are great. I like to keep a collection of edible dried flower petals on hand, just for this reason. Mix together your dry ingredients, starting with 2 cups of flour. Add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and set aside. In a second bowl, we're going to combine our wet ingredients. Do you have some milk that's past its prime? Well, you may not want to drink it straight up. Baking is a great way to use it. The extra acidity in the milk that it acquires as it ages actually adds flavor and leavening to baked goods. So we're not talking about rotten milk that you forgot to put in the fridge. We are talking about aged milk, but it is great for things like this. Then add in 1/3 cup of maple syrup. And 2 eggs. Add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. And mix well. Then fold in your petals to distribute them evenly. And spoon your batter into your prepared muffin cups. I find these silicone liners work really well. You're aiming to fill them 2/3 full. And bake for 15 minutes at 375 degrees. Or until the edges start to become golden brown and your poke test comes out clean. Then let them cool for 10 minutes in the tins before turning them out to finish. Fun fact, my mom happens to be a soap maker, so if you feel like making her day, you could order up some wildcrafted soap for your own mom. Use coupon code DWDSOAP for 10% off. Have a happy Mother's Day.